Open up Game Maker and continue using the light addition. Click on Create Sprite, but this time go to Edit Sprite, File, Create from Strip. Choose Knuckles and click Remove Background and then Open. Since there are 4 images that we're working with, we're going to change it to 4 and then images per row 4. And now we're going to try to figure out what width and height the image is so that we can cut out each of those images. So right now we're looking at 45 by, well, I'm trying different things here, 45 by, let's try 55, and you can see that you can cut all of them out without cutting off a limb or anything, and then click OK. And then show preview, and you can see him walking, and click the green check mark and change the sprite to sprite underscore down and click OK. Now we're going to create our second sprite. Click Edit Sprite, File, Create from Strip. Choose Knuckles, remove the background, click Open. Now I'm going to change the settings again to 45 by 55, but this time I'm going to select the second row of him walking left. Click OK, show preview, click the green check mark and call it sprite underscore left. Click OK. This time we're going to create the right sprite. So right click the left sprite, choose duplicate, go to Edit Sprite, Transform, Mirror, click OK, and now he's facing right. Hit the green check mark, call this sprite underscore right, and click OK. This time we're going to create the up sprite. Just follow along with the video. I'm going to change the width and the height to 45 by 55 pixels. Bring the boxes to cut him out all the way to the bottom. And then align them perfectly. Click OK. Now he's moving up. And rename it sprite underscore up and click OK. Now we're going to create a stand sprite. So right click sprite down and duplicate this sprite. Go to Edit Sprite and you're going to delete image 3, 2, 1 until he's just standing. And then call him sprite underscore stand. Click OK. Now we're going to create an object. Call him object underscore Knuckles and use the sprite stand as the image. Now we're going to make him move according to the keyboard. So choose keyboard left, and this time we're going to move left at the speed of 5. Click OK. But we want him to look like he's moving left. So we go to the main 1 tab and change out the sprite to sprite left. Subimage -1, speed 1, and click OK. Now you're going to do the same thing, but instead with the right. Move right, speed of 5. Swap him out so that he looks right. And -1, subimage, speed 1. Keyboard up, move up, speed of 5. Swap them out for up, subimage -1, and down, move down, speed of 5. Swap him out so that he looks like he's moving down, subimage -1. Now we have to do a no key, so when your hands are off the keyboard, no key, we want him to stop completely, so he has a speed of 0. And he has to look like he's standing. Sprite stand, subimage is 0 this time, and click OK. Now go ahead and create a room, and it doesn't really matter where you place him, just put him anywhere in the room. Click the green check mark and run your game. And when you run your game, you should be able to use your arrow keys to control his movement up, down, right, left.